our dreams in binary light, feeding the machine every thought in the night. Voices get smoother, the edges get clean, but the shiver is gone from the places between. We paint with the pixels, we write with the code, chasing perfection down a digital road, while the heartbeat is fading, replaced by a hum of circuits that never get tired or come undone. We click generate and we step to the side, let the algorithm finish what we started with pride. Why are we replacing us with AI, trading warm blood for a cold reply? Where's the sweat, the ache, the beautiful flaw, the crack in the voice that the machines never saw? Why are we replacing us with AI? Soulless perfection, but nobody's alive. It sounds so right, but it feels so wrong. We're erasing the soul of the song. Every new tool says you don't have to try, just type in your feelings and watch the sparks fly. But the fire that burns in a late night rehearsal can't be summoned by prompts or a corporate commercial. We're tired of the struggle, we're scared of the pain, so we hand the wheel over and pray it's humane. But comfort is quiet, it whispers and steals, till the only thing human is the way that we feel. One more enhance, one more make it shine, till the mirror shows nothing that's actually mine. Why are we replacing us with AI, trading warm blood for a cold reply? Where's the sweat, the ache, the beautiful flaw, the crack in the voice that the machines never saw? Why are we replacing us with AI? Soulless perfection, but nobody's alive. It sounds so right, but it feels so wrong. We're erasing the soul of the song. And I'm only human, I break and I bend. I forget the words, I start over again. But that's where the magic, the meaning, the truth lives in the mess that no prompt can produce. If we keep outsourcing the fire in our chest, what's left when the system decides we're no longer the best? Why are we replacing us with AI? I still hear my heartbeat asking why. Give me the struggle, the scars, and the fight. I'd rather be broken than perfectly right. Why are we replacing